To me, to be success to upsell hair care products, the first thing I really want you to ask yourself those questions. Ask yourself about hair care at home. How important to you about hair care at home? What products do you use at home for your hair? How often do you use it? And why do you use that? If you can answer those questions and you can say that very clearly about those questions, then I believe those knowledge is good for you and confident for you to share with the customer. Because most of hairdresser I see, they hardly use the hair care products on your hair. They don't know why have to use that or what to use and what the benefit from that. They have no idea. They have no idea. So that's why they struggling to sell it. Okay. So just make clear about this point. Let me just give you an example. So to me, I really believe on hair care products is make huge difference on the customer hair and my hair as well. So I use those hair care products for myself first, and then I share that. And first, when I use it, I feel about that. I feel how different without hair care products, and then with that products, how I feel with that. And then I will share those products for my client. Share like how I feel with that to my client. When they hear that, they believe that. So just give you an example like that. When I use a treatment, for example, the company they say, okay, you just use this treatment and then you use that like just leave for 5 minutes. But when I use that on my hair, I always want to try different way, because what I believe is the hair care products or whatever is it, when you use in each particular person, it will be give different result. Maybe your hair is about 5 minutes, but my hair it might be take more than longer, 10 minutes. Or some hair is just like 2 minutes, it's already absorbed, is good enough. So to me, I believe on the treatment, what I suggest when I put it on my hair and I leave it overnight. It turned out beautiful and just feel touch it, and I can feel it's different about I leave 5 minutes and I leave overnight. So that's why I bring that share to my client. Okay, do you know with these products, when you use it, like to me, I use it overnight, I feel it's amazing. That's point customer trust you and they say, yep, I might give it to go, I try it. That is the first point for you to make them believe you. That is so important. So that is just an example like that for you to understand why is that. So one more an example, like I think like with the purple shampoo, it can make your hair change different, make your hair fresh, make your hair look different. So what that I believe, because I use that purple shampoo on my hair without use any toner. When I was like silver blonde, I use purple shampoo a lot. And I kind of like I use like every time after I wash. And when I use that, and like at least like every second week, I just put it on dry hair, and it's give me really nice and it's different result. It look fresh and nice. I share that with my customer. You know what? When I share that with my customer and they use it, the first I listen what I say, and they say, why my previous hairdresser never tell me that, but now I tell you, and then they say, okay, let me try it. that's when they try it, and I remember, and I ask them what the question when next time they come back. How do you feel when you use my trick to use like purple shampoo to tone your hair at home? So you don't have to spend money to go to the hairdresser, and you avoid feel your hair is brassy and look not good, and you lose your confidence. So how do you feel with that? My customers say, oh my god, it's just so good. It make my life, it changed, it saved me a lot of time. And she say this, I used to go to hairdresser or go somewhere just buy the toner and go home and do that by myself. But it just turned out it's wasting a lot of my time, and it just make me feel like it doesn't last long as well. But I use this, and she say, every time I use this, I go to work, my colleagues always say, hey, did you get your hair done last night? And she said, nope, I did that by myself with the shampoo at home. They did not believe that. So that's why I say it's just so important. How important about with your hairdresser? How do you feel with that? How important with you about that point first? If you think that is important, you believe that, you share with customer, I believe they will follow you. And they will say, okay, I need that. That is, I really need. Then you don't have to push them, right?